Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to sell products with different choices like sizes, colors, or quantities, right from your Wix website, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through how to set up product variations in your Wix store, step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence to add customizable options to your products, making your online store more attractive and user-friendly. So let's dive in. First, head over to your Wix web design dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and where you control every element of your site. Once you're in, look for the option to Add Apps. Apps in Wix work a bit like plugins. They add new powers and features to your website. Adding the Wix Store app is what will unlock online selling with flexible product choices. So click Add Apps, and in the search bar type Wix Store. You'll see the official Wix Store app pop up. Click Add to Site. Now, here's where you need a little patience. The app might take a few moments to install, especially if your site is already packed with content or other plugins. Don't worry if it looks like nothing is happening. Give it some time, and you'll soon see it appear in your site tools. When Wix Store is loaded in, it's time to add a product. You'll see a button that says Add a Product. Go ahead and click that. You're building your store brick by brick, starting with your first item. Afterward, select Add New Product. This is where you'll enter all the essential information about your item. Think product name, description, price, images, and more. Take your time filling in these details. A clear product description and vivid photos are like an inviting storefront window. They help your customers know what they're getting. Here's the crucial part for adding variations. Scroll down slowly until you find Product Options. Don't rush this. Some users miss it because it's not right at the top. Once you find it, click Add Options. This is where you customize what customers can choose. For this example, let's say you want to offer different quantities. In the option name, type Quantity, and then specify the available quantities like single, pack of 3, or pack of 5. You can tailor these choices to whatever fits your business. After you're done adding options, Wix will do a bit of behind-the-scenes work. Soon, you'll see a message on your screen. One new variant was created from this product option. That means everything worked. Your store now offers your customers different quantities, and they'll see these choices when they're browsing. And that's it. You've successfully added a variant to your Wix Store product. If you need to fine-tune it, say you want to adjust the price for buying in bulk, or maybe add a photo that shows multiple items, you can easily edit the variant after creation. Wix makes it simple to go back in and tweak things as your store grows. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, or if you ran into any hiccups and need advice, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how you're customizing your store. And if you're looking to learn more website tricks and tips, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell for more helpful tutorials. Until next time, happy building!